he is Paxton. So we're going to make an easy way to make Play-Doh. First, you need 2 spoons, 2 bowls, flour, salt, oil, a cup of water, and some food coloring. So this is the colors that we have for food color. Brown, orange, yellow, blue, pink, green, red, and violet. So now we're going to start with 4 tablespoons of flour. Take 4 tablespoons. One, 2, 3, and 4. Now Paxton's turn to get 4 tablespoons. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we need 2 tablespoons of salt. So salty. Careful. Okay, well. Uh-oh. 1. Oh no! 2. Now we're going to stir the flour and salt. Now we're going to take 4 spoons of water. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's your turn. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 spoon of oil. 1. Now we're going to put it in the water bowl with it. And we're going to stir it. Your turn, Paxton. And now we're going to put the whole bowl of the things that we put for like flour, salt into the bucket of oil. So we're going to stir it. You can see it's like milk. It smells good. So look at my dough. It's like almost ready and it's very like almost done of everything to make the Play-Doh. So we're going to put food coloring, but first you need to put flour, a little bit of flour, and spread it. So get only a little bit. we're going to put the dough on the table. Take the dough out, Paxton.
Okay.
It's so easy to make it. And it feels very, very soft. Oh, you can squish it a lot. Now, it's the fun part. We're going to put the food coloring. Pick 2 colors. I'll pick blue and purple. Green. Dexter. Now, guys, we're going to put the purple color on one of them first. Here we go. I'm going to now put it over here. Close it. Mix it like you put it inside, like keep squishing it. Now I'm going to put the green color. Look at my hands. Whoa, so purple. Now I'm going to put some blue food coloring. Now I'm going to put the blue color. Guys, it's so fun. You can make this at home too.
I think I should put orange now.
Whoa. We're done, so we're going to make whatever we want. So we're going to make pancakes.
I think I wanted to do it too.
Okay, so let's both do it. So get one, put it here, put the other one here, and you put the last one on top, and then it becomes a pancake.
Yahoo!
Guys, we made the pancakes done. Look, do you want to try it? So, guys, that's it. I think we can make a real life pancake. Okay, let's make one. We just make the batter. The batter is with pancake flour and some water. So now we're ready to put food coloring.
Oh yeah.
Now you can see what the colors we have. I have purple, I have blue, and here's green and orange. So now I will let you see how to make the pancakes. You need 1 spoon. If you see like a lot of bubble, that means it's ready. Finally, we're done, guys. Which one do you actually like more? the real ones or the
Or
fake
the
ones?
Play-Doh one.
Please subscribe, like, and ring the bell.
And
Subscribe in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Subscribe! Would you like to eat some?